Cut open the sealing tape on the package. Take out the Easwe D10 main frame. Press down both sides of the seat. Lift the backrest up to lock it in place. Connect the controller to the lower control unit. Insert the controller into the armrest slot, and tighten with the screw knob. Install the battery into the right slot. Insert the pins to fix the anti-tip wheels on both sides. Loosen the footrest nut and unfold it. Install the footrests. Tighten the nut to secure the footrests. Attach the seat cushion and press along the edges. Attach the back cushion and press along the edges. Attach the leg support cushion. Press the armrest button to unlock and lift the armrest. Push the motor lever backward toward the user to switch to manual mode. Push the motor lever forward toward the wheelchair to switch to automatic mode.
Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state.
Press the orange battery latch to unlock. Lift the battery upward to remove it. Align the battery with the slot and insert it until a click is heard. Plug in the charger and remove the controller lampshade. Insert the charger plug into the controller's power port. Remove the battery and open the waterproof cover. Insert the charging plug. After charging, close the cover and reinstall the battery. Turn on the controller power. Speed up button, 5 adjustable levels. Long press for horn. Short press to turn on the headlight. Press again to turn it off. Long press the speed up button for 5 seconds. To enable or disable sound prompts. Speed down button, 5 adjustable levels. Horn and light functions are the same as above. Remove the back cushion and seat cushion. Press the buttons on both sides to fold down the backrest. Fold up the footrests. Pull the handle straps on both sides of the seat. Folding completed. Press both sides of the seat to unfold the wheelchair. Lift the backrest up to lock it in place. Flip down the footrests. Install the seat and back cushions. Lift the armrests. Fasten the seat belt. Lower the armrests. Turn on the power and drive freely. Supports 360 rotation, forward and backward movement.